Okay, so today I am in Photoshop. I am just going to show you guys how to simply change a solid color of a graphic. So if you're working with a gradient or you're trying to change the color of someone's shirt that has shadows, it's just not going to work. This just needs to be a plain, flat color, no shades, nothing. So I got a project I'm working on here, making some sizing graphics. Anyway, these buttons I have made, I would like them a different color. So I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to do that. So select my layer down here, and then I will select, right click on this little, it's probably on quick selection tool. I have it on object selection. So if you don't see that, right click here and that will drop these three out. I'm going to select magic wand tool. And the magic wand is going to select colors within what you click on. So I have a little target here, and as you can see, when I select this brown color, I'm just going to click. It selects every single color within that object. So I want to change all these browns to a different color, so I'm going to select them all. You might have to select this up here. That means you can hit the plus sign, select more of your object. Up here, this would be deselect. See the little minus by the target? You want to make sure you have a plus if you're doing something like me. Yeah, so you might be able to ignore that. Anyway, select your object. I'm going to just select all these quick. Okay, now you have those all selected. What you probably think you would normally do is mask these, select, cut them, so forth. Anyway, we are going to click our paint bucket. You're probably seeing gradient tool, so right click on gradient tool if you see that and select paint bucket. Down here, you will see some colors. Click on that top one. This is the color you want to change your graphic to, and I want these buttons to match these letters. So now, bottom left here, you can see that's my target color. That's the color I want it to change to. And within these selected lines that I used with the magic wand, I just simply select again, and boom, it's going to change the color within those selections. So all you got to do is select within everywhere you want your colors to be changed. And it's that simple. So again, just to review, I will change this letter S really fast, quick review. I'm going to right click here and deselect everything. So I'm just going to change the color S, quick review. Right here, you want to make sure you have magic wand tool selected. Just click in the color that you want changed. Boom, the whole letter S is selected perfectly. It's a graphic solid color. I want to change this color to, let's say red. If you want to use a specific color from your graphic already, just simply bottom left here, once you select it, just move your mouse outside of this little box and select any color. I'm going to match the red over there. Hit OK. I still have my S selected. Now I'm going to come down here and I'm going to select my paint bucket tool, which is, you'll probably see gradient tool. So right click and select paint bucket tool and just click within that selection. And there you go. You have it changed color. And if you want to get rid of your selection there, go back to your magic wand and right click and simply select deselect. And there you go. That's how you change your colors on a solid colored graphic. It's that simple. So hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, give me a follow, and comment if you need more help with Photoshop. Remember, I try and do the simplest things that sometimes can be frustrating to try and fix. People make them too complex. So if you think you got a simple problem that you need help with, leave a comment. Hope this helps with your Photoshop experience.